Day 12. I just made a recipe that I personally didn't want to show you guys, so I'm going to make a quick and easy salad. So I'm going to cook some squash in oil and a little bit of salt in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. I'm just going to take these out, give them a stir, and put these in for another 15 minutes. For the candied almonds, I'm going to take 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to put it in my saucepan with half a cup of water. Once you bring it to a boil, add 2 cups of almonds and just stir those almonds in just until the water evaporates. Now that the timer's done, I'm going to take out my squash. Now we have about 1 liter of kale, and then we're going to splurge on a really nice apple, like a pink lady or an ambrosia. Chop it up into bite-sized pieces, put them in the salad bowl. Add about half a cup of dried cranberries. To make the vinaigrette, whisk together 60 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Unlike Buddy the Elf, I love maple syrup. Maple syrup is one of the 4 major food groups. 2 milliliters of fine sea salt, 2 milliliters of Dijon, and 60 milliliters of olive oil. Now we're going to mix this until it's mixed.
Mixed until mixed?
Heck yeah. Now we're going to put everything together in the bowl, pour the squash in, add in our candied almonds. And now we're going to do the dressing. Pour that. Perfect. Let's try it. That's really good. I love the sweetness and I love the dressing. The fruity taste of it is amazing. This makes up for the bad recipe, 100%. It's so good.